Westermans here. Just a quick video to show you a nice little order received from a company for orbital swage lock machines, which consists of 4 M200s, series 5 heads, series 4, and I believe series 20. Also swage lock facing tool. As you can see, condition of the equipment is 9 out of 10. All machines have been fully tested and serviced and ready to put back into operation. More orbital welders available from stock. Unfortunately, no more of the swage locks until more stock arrives. But we have Polysood, AMI, Axair, Magnatech, all from stock, all in the same sort of condition. We also do fusion heads and open heads with wire and tube to sheet. Quick glance around the shop. As you'll see, other machines like spot welders, rotators, welding positioners, welding rotators, 1 or 2 machine tools, gas profile machines, CNC plasmas. There, looking in between all that is 2 Fronius hot wire cladding systems, fume extraction, Pro Arc CNC plasma bed. It's just in the process of being finished. Again, Fronius TIGs and MIGs. Over here we have a few diesel welders, which we've got Miller 400 X Pro and Miller Big Blue 700 X Duo. Stock is constantly changing. All machines are generally serviced to order. You can see Hypertherm power sources, Miller Pro Heat, which are a popular seller, and of course Nelson stud welders for drawn arc shear studs, ESAB 1200 amp power sources and smaller, and sub-arc tractors. Thank you for looking. More details available on Westermans website, or email welding@westermans for more details. Thank you for looking.